In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix payroll mappings with QuickBooks Online. If your payroll reports don't seem to line up with your general ledger, or your wages and liabilities are landing in the wrong accounts, the issue is usually your payroll accounting mappings. We're going to walk through how to review and correct those step by step so that future payroll runs post exactly where you expect them to in your chart of accounts. First, log into QuickBooks Online, and from anywhere in your company file, look for the gear icon at the top right of the screen. This is your main settings menu. Click that, and from the options that appear, choose Payroll Settings. This is where QuickBooks controls how payroll behaves in the background, including how it posts to your accounts. Once you're in Payroll Settings, look for the Accounting section. This is the area that tells QuickBooks which accounts to use for payroll expenses and payroll liabilities. On the right-hand side of this section, you'll see a small pencil icon, which is the Edit button. Go ahead and select that to open up the payroll mapping options. Here, you'll see several drop-down menus, each one corresponding to a different payroll category. Common examples include wages, employer taxes, employee tax liabilities such as income tax or national insurance, pension or retirement contributions, and net pay. For each of these categories, you'll want to choose the correct account from your chart of accounts. Take your time here. For wages and salaries, you'll typically map these to an expense account such as wages expense or payroll expense. For things like tax liabilities, pension contributions, and other deductions, you'll map them to liability accounts, because these are amounts you owe to third parties, like tax authorities or pension providers. One important limitation to remember is that payroll transactions cannot be mapped directly to bank accounts. Instead, QuickBooks usually posts to a liability or clearing account first. From there, you match or reconcile the actual payments that leave your bank, such as your payroll direct deposits or tax payments, against those liability balances. This extra step keeps your books cleaner and makes it easier to see what is still owed versus what has already been paid. When you're happy with your selections and everything is mapped to the appropriate accounts, click Save at the bottom of the screen. After that, select Done to close out of the settings. Your new mappings will apply to payrolls you run going forward, helping your financial reports stay accurate and consistent.